Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Databricks. Let's understand what is Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is an Apache Spark-based analytics platform optimized for the Microsoft Azure Cloud Services platform. Designed with the founders of Apache Spark, Databricks is integrated with Azure to provide one-click setup, streamlined workflows, and an interactive workspace that enables collaboration between data scientists, data engineers, and business analysts. Azure Databricks is a fast, easy, and collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics service. For a big data pipeline, the data, raw or structured, is ingested into Azure through Azure Data Factory in batches or streamed near real-time using Kafka, Event Hub, or IoT Hub. This data lands in a data lake for long-term persisted storage, in Azure Blob Storage or Azure Data Lake Storage. Azure Databricks comprises the complete open-source Apache Spark cluster technologies and capabilities. Spark in Azure Databricks includes the following components: Spark SQL and data frames. Spark SQL is the Spark module for working with structured data. A data frame is a distributed collection of data organized into named columns. It is conceptually equivalent to a table in a relational database or a data frame in R, Python. Streaming, real-time data processing and analysis for analytical and interactive applications. Integrates with HDFS, Flume, and Kafka. ML-lib, machine learning library consisting of common learning algorithms and utilities, including classification, regression, clustering, collaborative filtering, dimensionality reduction, as well as underlying optimization primitives. GraphX, graphs and graph computation for a broad scope of use cases from cognitive analytics to data exploration. Spark Core API, includes support for R, SQL, Python, Scala, and Java. Azure Databricks builds on the capabilities of Spark by providing a zero-management cloud platform that includes fully managed Spark clusters, an interactive workspace for exploration and visualization, a platform for powering your favorite Spark-based applications. Azure Databricks has a secure and reliable production environment in the cloud, managed and supported by Spark experts. You can create clusters in seconds, dynamically autoscale clusters up and down, including serverless clusters, and share them across teams. Use clusters programmatically by using the REST APIs. Use secure data integration capabilities built on top of Spark that enable you to unify your data without centralization. Get instant access to the latest Apache Spark features with each release. Let's understand Databricks Runtime. The Databricks Runtime is built on top of Apache Spark and is natively built for the Azure cloud. With the serverless option, Azure Databricks completely abstracts out the infrastructure complexity and the need for specialized expertise to set up and configure your data infrastructure. The serverless option helps data scientists iterate quickly as a team. For data engineers, who care about the performance of production jobs, Azure Databricks provides a Spark engine that is faster and performant through various optimizations at the I/O layer and processing layer, Databricks I/O. Through a collaborative and integrated environment, Azure Databricks streamlines the process of exploring data, prototyping, and running data-driven applications in Spark. Determine how to use data with easy data exploration. Document your progress in notebooks in R, Python, Scala, or SQL. Visualize data in a few clicks, and use familiar tools like Matplotlib, ggplot, or D3. Use interactive dashboards to create dynamic reports. Use Spark and interact with the data simultaneously. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook about Azure Databricks. For more audiobooks, please check our site cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.